Hello everyone, I welcome you all to SVK coaching classes. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell button to get the new notification. In this session, I am carrying with the continuation of last topic called finding the solution of system of linear equation by Gauss-Jordan method. So consider a system of equation a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 equal to b11, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a23 x3 equal to b12, a31 x1 plus a32 x2 plus a33 x3 equal to b13. So this system of equation have three unknowns. We require to find those unknowns by using Gauss-Jordan method. So as I said you that this system of equation is equivalent to a matrix of the equation of the form Ax equal to B, where A is an coefficient matrix, X is a column matrix, that is with unknowns, B is a column matrix as the constants B11, B12, B13. Now I can using this matrix equation, I can write the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix A is to B is A11 So after writing down the augmented matrix A is to B, then the procedure follows for Gauss-Jordan method is first step. The step 1 is apply Gauss elimination method. So after applying the Gauss elimination method, we are going to get an equation of the form. We are going to get an augmented matrix of the form A11, A12, A13, B11, 0, a new value called A22 dash, A23 dash, B12 dash, 0, 0, A33 dash, B13 dash, as this is an upper triangular matrix. So this is the method for Gauss elimination method. So after getting the upper triangular matrix, then you require to get an diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? A diagonal element should be a non-zero. Diagonal element should be non-zero. So make, by using elementary row operation, make these elements as 0. Make these three elements as 0. So by using row elementary operation, you are going to reduce this to a diagonal matrix. So you can convert this matrix to an equation of the form A11 dash, as the value will be changed. A11 dash x1 is equal to B11 dash, A22 x2 equal to B12 dash, A33 dash x3 equal to B13 dash. So then we can find the value. Then we are going to get the values of x1, x2, x3. This is the procedure to find the solution of a system of linear equation by using Gauss-Jordan method. Consider the problem. Solve the system of equation by Gauss-Jordan method. So if I go with the solution, the method says that I should reduce the augmented matrix to diagonal matrix. So if I consider an augmented matrix A is to B, the coefficient matrix of A is 1. From first equation I have 1, 2, 1. From second equation it is 2, 3, 3. From third equation it is 3 minus 1, 2. The matrix B is 3, 10, 30. So this is what I have augmented matrix. Now my aim is to make that this augmented matrix as diagonal matrix. It means that I should make sure these elements as 0. I should make these elements as what? 0. So you should left out with diagonal elements as non-zero. So that is what we require to find. Now let us go by doing elementary row operation. To make sure that elements as 0, I will first I will make these two elements as 0 by using row operation. So I will disturb R2 dash. R2 dash changes to, as I have 1 here, non-zero is 1, that is R2 minus 2 times of R1. Similarly, R3 dash changes to R3 minus 3 times of R1, minus 3 times of R1. So here I am applying the two operation. R2 and R3 is disturbed. So R1 is retained as it is, 1, 2, 1 is to 3. So 2 minus 2 becomes 0. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Similarly, the third row element is 3 minus 3 is 0. Minus 1 minus 6. Minus 1 minus 6 minus 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. So now, after making sure these two elements are 0, the second row, retain the second row. Retain the second row. Make sure these two elements are 0 by using R2. So always apply the same method for every problem. So therefore, R1 dash changes to, R1 dash is affected here. R1, as we have opposite sign, go with plus R1 plus 2 times of R2. And similarly, R3 dash will be affected. R3, as we have same sign here, go with minus R3 minus 7 times of R2. So here the non-affected row is second row, 0 minus 1, 1, 4. So 1 plus 0 is 1 itself. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. 3 plus 8 is 11. 0 plus 0 is 0. Minus 7 plus 7. Since minus 1 is multiplied by minus 7, so it becomes plus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. Minus 1 minus 7 is minus 8. 4 minus 28. 4 minus 28 is minus 24. So when I observe this matrix, here I have an advantage as common multiple. The advantage having this row having common multiple. So I will divide R3. I will divide. I am going to affect R3. R3 by 8. R3 by 8. So it is a multiple minus 8. You can go with minus 8. So it becomes, I am going to get 1, 0, 3, 11, 0, minus 1, 1, 4, 0, 0, minus 8 by 8, minus 8 is 1, minus 24 by minus 8 is 3. Now make these two elements as 0 by using R3. So using the R3, I am going to make these two elements as 0. So therefore, you are going to affect R1 dash and R2 dash. So what is the operation you are going to apply? So here we have opposites, same sign. So go with negative. I am affecting R1 and R2 dash. I am affecting the two rows called R1 and R2. So here these two terms should become 0 by using R3, right? So 3 minus 3 will be 0. Therefore R3 will be multiplied with 3. Therefore R1 minus 3 times of R3. Next, R2 value is 1 here. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So just if you do R2 minus R3 is enough. R2 minus R3. So the non-disturbed row is the last row, that is 0, 0, 1, 3. So now disturbing 1 minus 0 or 1 plus 0 will be not disturbed. So it is 1. As we are not multiplying R1 by any value, therefore it is 1 here. And 0 minus 0 or 0 plus 0 will be 0 itself. Next, 3 minus 3 is 0. Next, multiplying this value by 3. 3 3s are 9. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 2. Next, the second row, 0 plus 0 or 0 minus 0 is always 0. Minus 1, as we are not disturbing R2. R2 is not multiplied by any value. So therefore minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1 itself. 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. So make the leading entries, the diagonal elements as 1. Multiply R2 by minus 1. So therefore minus R2, which is nothing but minus R2, 1, 0, 0, 2, and R2 is multiplied minus 1. So therefore it is 0, minus into minus plus 1, 0, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 3. Now convert this matrix to a system of equation. The system of equation will be x plus y plus z equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 3. Therefore the solution for the given system of equation is, the solution is x, y, z is equal to 2 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 3 is the solution of the given system of equation by Gauss-Jordan method. Let us go with the next problem. Solve the given system of equation by using Gauss-Jordan method. Here we have the system of equation. Now consider the augmented matrix. Consider the augmented matrix is what? The augmented matrix is what? 2, 5, 7 is to 52. 2, 1, minus 1 is to 0, as we have 0 here. 1, 1, 1, 9. This is what the augmented matrix for the given system of equation. Now, as I observed that in the first column I have 1 here. I will make sure that that whole row to be in first row. So first operation I am going to do, R1 changes with R3. So I am going with 1, 1, 1, 9, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 5, 7, 52. Now next I am going to do that these two elements are 0 by using R1. So applying an operation for R2 and R3. So it becomes we are disturbing two rows, R2 and R3. So it is denoted by R2 dash and R3 dash. R2 dash changes to R2 minus 2 times of R1. Similarly, R3 dash changes to R3 minus 2 times of R1. So the constant row is first row 1, 1, 1, 9. So 2 minus 2 becomes 0. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 0 minus 18 is minus 18. 0, 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 7 minus 2, 5. 52 minus 18. 52 minus 18, 34. Now make sure these two elements as 0 by using R2. So therefore R1 dash changes to, I have opposite sign here, go with plus R1 plus R2. Similarly R3 dash changes to 3 here, we have minus 1 here, we have opposite sign, so I am adding here. So R3 plus 3 times of R2. So we are going to get the non-disturbed row is second row, that is 0, minus 1, minus 3, minus 18. So therefore R1 is not multiplied by any value. So 1 plus 0 is 1 itself. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 9 minus 18 is minus 9. Next, 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9, minus 4. 13, sorry. 34 minus 3 into 18 minus 20. Now make sure we have a common multiple here. You can divide this R3 by minus 4. So R3 dash changes to R3 by minus 4. So therefore I get and values 1, 0, minus 2 is to minus 9. The second row is also not disturbed here. So therefore retain as it is 0, minus 1, minus 3 is to minus 18. The third row is disturbed. The third row is divided by minus 4. Therefore we have 0, 0, minus 4 by minus 4 is 1, minus 20 by minus 4 is 5. Now keeping R3 as constant, we are going to make these two elements as 0. So therefore R1 dash changes to R1 as we have opposite sign here. Just add those two. R1 plus 2 times of R3. R2 dash changes to R2 plus as we have minus 3 here multiplied by 3 here. So plus 3 R3. So therefore the constant row is the third row has been not disturbed here. 0, 0, 1, 5. The first row is 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, minus 9 plus 10 is 1. Next 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 1 plus 0 is also minus 1, minus 3 plus 3 is 0, minus 18 plus 15 is minus 3. Now multiplying this row by minus sign. So to get the diagonal elements as plus 1, 1, 1, 1. So therefore R2 dash changes to minus R2. This is nothing but 1, 0, 0 is to 1, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1 is to 5. Therefore the solution for the given system of equation are x equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 5. This is the way to find the solution of system of equation by using Gauss-Jordan method. For Gauss-Jordan method, we have a verification. So I will give a verification by using a calculator. Using calculator, we can go with the verification whether the solution what we got is exactly correct or not. We can go for verifying by using your calculator. That is the easy way to find the solution to any system of equation. Okay, let us see that.
Now we shall verify the problem. The given problem is 2x plus 5y plus 7z equal to 52 and 2x plus y minus z equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 9 by using a calculator called FX991ES. So start with the press on. So now it is showing the math mode and degree mode. So always you should press shift 9 to clear all the memory. So clear all the memory. Then start with go with equation mode. So press mode. Then press 5 as it is equation 5. So you are going to get an system of equation having three unknowns called equation 2. ANX plus BNY plus CNZ equal to DN. Press equation 2. You are going to get a matrix here. So press the matrix called augmented matrix. 2, 5, 7, 52. Similarly, the second row is 2, 1, minus 1, 0. The third row contains 1, 1, 1, 9. Press equal to, you will get the solutions called x is 1, x equal to 1. You can note down that. So x equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 3 and z equal to 5 you are going to get. See, y equal to 3 and z equal to 5. So this is the way of verifying the any problem in Gauss-Jordan method.